How often should we change our sanitary pads? Sanitary pads को कितने बार बदलना चाहिए? They being an important part of our menstrual cycle, knowing the right frequency of changing the pads could be tricky. Understanding this could make a significant difference in your health and hygiene. Hi, I am Dr. Shweta Shah, a gynecologist, a laparoscopic surgeon, founder and director, Twameva Clinic, Mumbai. Ideally, for all practical purposes, sanitary pads should be changed by every woman within a duration of about 4 to 6 hours. It is important to do so to prevent oneself from bad odor, bacterial infection, skin rashes, and irritation. The factors which influence the changing frequency include the following. First is the flow intensity. On heavier days, it is advisable to change the pad every 2 to 4 hours, while on lighter days, it can be changed every 4 to 6 hours. Women suffering from medical conditions like menorrhagia or heavy menstrual bleeding should change their pads often. Also, the type of the pad and the absorbency of the pad can determine the changing frequency. The super absorbent pads can be used longer, while the regular ones should be changed frequently. To prevent oneself from bad odor, for personal comfort and hygienic reasons, some women might change the pad very frequently. This is very individual and it can vary from person to person. The physical activity levels also influence the changing frequency of the pad, wherein more physical activity requires frequent changing of these pads. Environmental conditions like hot and humid climate will necessitate increased frequency of changing the pads. The risk associated with not changing the pads frequently can be one of the following. Infections. The wet atmosphere in the pad can lead to growth of bacteria and fungus, giving rise to infections like bacterial vaginosis. Skin itching, irritation and rashes because of prolonged contact of a soiled pad with the skin. Thirdly, toxic shock syndrome, which is a rare but a common side effect seen with prolonged usage of any kind of menstrual products, predominantly tampon, can also be a detrimental condition. Lastly, to prevent yourself from odor, staining and leakage and further embarrassment, kindly change your pads as per the recommended duration. If you want to avoid yourself from all these hassles, we have better products in the market like the menstrual cups, which are made up of medical grade silicone and latex, and they are very easy to use. These cups function on the principle of collection of the menstrual fluid instead of absorbing it. They are eco-friendly because they do not produce a lot of wastage and they are reusable, unlike the pads which are disposable, generating a lot of environmental wastage. Thank you. For further such updates on women health, kindly subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Bye till I see you next time.